Want to see how regular trading session can bring in $2,000 and $100 profit? So, what signals do MACD and RSI give when the market's ready to move? So, in this video, I will show you exactly how I found my entries and ended up in profit. Alright, I'm ready on the broker's platform now, and let's start trading by going over today's indicator setup. And when it comes to the main signals, the first thing I'm using is a weighted moving average with a period of 25. I chose a relatively large period today because the market is quite unpredictable and the payout percentages aren't very high. But already done a thorough analysis, and right now on your screen you can see assets with the most favorable and stable price movements along with the highest payout rates. Now let's return to the indicators to minimize false signals. We'll need two oscillators, MACD with the following settings customized for today's market, and the RSI with default settings. It's period of 14, and the oversold areas we left them at 70 and 30. And anything I'm saying right now seems unclear for you, I'm sure for many of you it might. Don't worry guys, just I'll walk you through each trade step by step. So by the end of this session, you will understand how to properly use this indicator combo, what conditions must be met to open a trade, and in general, what kind of signals to look for. Well, we'll be trading with 1 minute expiration time, analyzing the market on 1 minute time frame, and I'll start with $100 trade. My goal today is to grow the deposit. Let's hope everything goes according to plan. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And guys, wish me luck today. So let's begin for our first trade setup. Well guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too, so I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And you know, if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus, there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. And right here on the bounce, well, I'll go ahead and open a put trade, and overall the recent trend has been bearish, and this area looks like a slight consolidation area and a minor sideways movement. So after this pullback and the formation of a local structural low, plus the WMA crossing downward, we've got a potential for a short-term move down. And the oscillators also confirmed this. The MACD shows a crossover its moving lines and histogram volume around the zero line. So this is a valid signal, not a false one. And RSI is currently between 50 and 30, indicating bearish momentum. And as you can see, the trade closes confidently in profit, guys. Perfect, just really good result. I explained the trade in full detail. Well, there should be no confusion, I guess. So let's move on to the next setup and select the next entry point. Well, we're opening a call trade here in the direction of the trend, and in general we've got a clear uptrend forming over a descent period. So I'm entering after a small pullback. The price formed a local low, then pushed upward, Well, what made me open this trade was the appearance of green bars on the MACD histogram and volume starting to move toward the average level. And also, what else? RSI bounced off its middle line upward, yes, and now the confirmation. So this trade was opened confidently, guys. Really good result. And now the winning trade, so super easy setup, clearly explained. So let's keep going and find the next entry. Well, right here on this next asset, I'm 100% sure this will be a put trade. I managed to find a decent entry level, and the trend is clearly bearish, and we're seeing first of all, volume changes and moving average crossovers all moving downward. And earlier, the WMI crossed, then we had a pullback. And these types of situations happen often. With experience, you'll learn when these setups are still valid, guys. Well, so yeah, we are opening a put here. Let's watch the result. And in the final second, guys, we got the win. That was really intense, but trades like this often are this kind of. So even without the perfect crossover, the conditions still allowed for a profitable entry. And as you can see, the candle closed with a red body. So great logic behind the trade, I guess. So now let's move on and enter the next one with a higher amount. And now we're opening a call trade after prolonged pullback. And I see that it possibly even a correction here, because I believe that the trend is shifting back upwards. And we had bullish moving average crossover from below, and both oscillators show upward momentum, MACD volume rising and moving averages crossing upwards, and RSI pointing up as well. So yeah, so this is a clear entry for a buy. Yeah, watching the result, guys. And another win, guys. Just awesome result. Really, I'm so happy to see that. So even though the uptrend was already visible, yeah, this was still a solid entry. And looks like I was right again, closing in profit. So let's go ahead, guys, and enter the next position with the maximum available balance. And I'm aiming for strong result today. All right, we're opening another trade here, and I believe in this moving average crossover, and we just saw an attempt at a cross, and I entered all the pullback to get better, safer entry level. Well, recent price action showed more buying volume, and followed by a confident correction, but I'm expecting another reversal. And the structural local low was broken, and we are seeing a MACD that confirms with volume crossover and direction change. Well, the moving averages also crossed upward, and RSI is exiting oversold. That's another solid confirmation for a buy. So yeah, as you can see, this trade closed confidently in the plus. Yeah, really good result, perfect. So at this result, we'll wrap up the session here. I hope I explained everything clearly, and there really shouldn't be any confusion. So I understand that some trades were tense, but overall we are in profit. So now for the final part of today's trading, let's go to the withdrawal tab and let's do that. Let's withdraw the profit. So withdrawing around $2,100. Okay, click here. And the withdrawal is successful, guys. Just amazing result. Well, guys, that was my trade using MACD and RSI. Calm, confident, and profitable. So the key is discipline and sticking to the strategy. And trust me, guys, $2,100 is just a beginning. Well, guys, if you have any questions and you found some unclear moments due to this watching video, just go below this video to the description. You'll find all the necessary links to my Telegram group and etc. Well, just text me there if you have some doubts about trading. And yeah, also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'm Rachel. See you.